Oh, welcome. What's going on?
Well, I saw the light on, so I'm saying hello.
I wasn't talking about that. I see that you have flowers there, so what's up? And why do you have that look on your face?
I thought, well, could you put them on you could put them on the tables or give them out to customers, and I thought they would kind of look nice.
Oh, my Selim, I can't give those red roses out to the customers. This isn't Bollywood, but give me those. You're being very nice for a change, aren't you? Oh, they're so beautiful. This was so nice of you. Thank you. I was just closing up now. Wait, what's going on with you? Something is strange. Do you have a problem?
I do.
Come on, speak up.
I have a problem.
Come on, speak up, man. Spit it out.
It's just that I'm hungry. Shall we eat somewhere? We can get fish or something.
I can't say no to a piece of fish. My mouth is watering at the thought of it. We can have onions fried up with it. Just wait a minute. Wait. Why are you so weird today? You're hungry, I get it. Come on, let's get moving.
I'm going.
Everything's fine. Okay, let's go. Come on, then.
Yeah, let's go.
Come on, hurry up. Oh, my God. Move it, move it. Oh, God. Oh, the view is so wonderful. The water's so calm on top, but underneath it's totally different, you know?
It's the same as you. They don't call you Derya for nothing, you know?
Here you go, Selim.
Here, she gets that.
Oh, this looks amazing.
Bon
Thanks.
appetit.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
We could have gone somewhere with a little more class, you know? I mean, but I thought you'd be too tired for that, so.
Oh, come on, the ocean's out there. I don't need more class. I already have enough right out there. Look at that.
Yeah, look, you do have class. Ever since we were both kids, we've been talking like this.
We're very lucky, Selim. Who's still in touch with their friends from when they were children, huh? You know?
I wonder sometimes to myself, what if we didn't grow up together? How would we be? I mean, how would we be right now? Did you ever wonder that?
How else would we be? We would still wind up right here laughing and eating fish like we are now. I mean, that we would still be friends. You'd still be annoying me for sure. That's true. Come on and eat. Don't waste your fish.
I will.
Your mind is somewhere else, I think.